Wake up to a different beat in the heart of London at IQ Bankside Student Accommodation. Located in London's vibrant South Bank neighborhood, IQ Bankside offers a collection of modern luxurious studios, all of which come decked with a cozy double bed, study area, underfloor heating, and private shower room, along with a fully equipped kitchenette and dining space. Need to burn off some steam? No problem. Start your week off right by hitting the gym and then settle in for a productive study session in the study room. And when it's time to take a break, curl up on the sofas in the shared lounge watching your favorite TV show, or challenge your friends to a game of ping pong in the games area. And if you're in the mood to relax, the outdoor courtyard is the perfect spot to soak up some sun. When it's time for lectures, you're just a 15-minute walk from King's College, London's Waterloo campus, and London's South Bank University, while the scenic banks of the Thames offer countless dining and entertainment options just moments from our door. And if you want to explore further, Waterloo train station and London Bridge tube station are just a hop, skip, and jump away. Say yes to an unforgettable student experience with IQ Bankside Student Residence. Reserve your gloriously happy stay only at amberstudent.com.